Hello, in this video I will show you how to make and receive phone call on your smartwatch using an iPhone. The first step is to connect your smartwatch to your phone using the recommended application for your smartwatch. Scan the QR code on the smartwatch or in the instruction manual to find out which application your watch is using. As you can see, my smartwatch is using the fitpro application, which is the most used application for smartwatches. If your smartwatch is using any other application like iWatch Pro or Hryfine or Laxasfit, you can find videos on my channel on how to make calls on these smartwatches. Turn on Bluetooth and location services on your phone and make sure that your phone has an internet connection. Download the recommended application from your App Store. As I mentioned before, my smartwatch is using the fitpro application. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in the video to connect your smartwatch to your phone. Once connected, the time and date will update automatically on the smartwatch. As you can see, even if my watch is connected to my phone, I cannot make phone calls on the smartwatch until I do the following steps. The next step is to activate Bluetooth calling on the smartwatch. When this is activated, all the music and sound playing on your phone will now be playing on the smartwatch. The next step is to connect your smartwatch to your phone in the Bluetooth menu on your smartphone. Once connected, you will now be able to make and receive phone calls on your smartwatch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.